Good day everyone. 10th standard Cbse. I have taken the chapter Trigonometry. Today we are going to see MCQs. MCQs are very important because in section A you are going to get 20 MCQs. So far I have posted videos only for 12th Cbse Max. This year I thought of posting videos for 10th Max. You see it on your comments. You tell me whether you are able to understand it clearly, whether you like it, and if you like it, share it with your friends and your classmates. Okay, let us go. First sum. If 0 degree less than or equal to a comma b less than or equal to 90 degrees such that sin a is equal to half, cos b is equal to half, then a plus b is 4 options are given. A very simple sum to start with. You all know if sin a is equal to half, what will be a? A will be 30 degrees, isn't it? You know sin 30 is half. You should know all the values of the angle 30, 45, 60, 90, everything thoroughly, right? Now, cos B is given to be half. Cos 60 is half, so you will get B is 60. So, A plus B is 30 plus 60 degrees, you will get 90 degrees. So, now, let us see the options now. C is the correct option. Okay? A very simple sum. Second sum. Angle A is acute in right triangle ABC. Right angled at B. Then value of sin A plus cos A is, and again 4 options are given. Let us draw a small figure so that it will be clear for us to do. Now this is the right triangle. It is right angled at B. The other two letters you can put anywhere. That doesn't matter. So I am putting A here and C here, right? Now this is the thing and angle A. Now we want sin A plus cos A. From the figure let us write sin A will be opposite side by hypotenuse. So you will get BC by AC. Okay. Cos A, from the figure it will be AB by AC. You want sin A plus cos A. So, we will get BC by AC plus AB by AC. See, the denominator is same, okay? So, we can write it is BC plus AB by AC. Now, you should remember one concept. Actually, in all the MCQs, the concepts are very, very important. Unless you know the concepts, you cannot solve a sum. Now, the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side is a very important concept you have studied already. Now these two are two sides, so the sum of the two sides will be greater than the third side. So the numerator is going to be greater than AC and the denominator is AC. So the answer will be greater than 1 definitely. So let us check the options now. Option B is the correct one. Okay. Now let us move on to the third sum. If for some value of theta, cot 2 theta is equal to 1 by root 3, then the value of sin 3 theta is. So definitely we should find what is theta, then only we will be able to solve the sum. So now let me write cot 2 theta is equal to 1 by root 3. You know cot 60 is 1 by root 3, right? So 2 theta will be equal to 60. That gives you theta is equal to 30 degrees, right? Now, we want sin 3 theta. So, sin 3 theta is sin 3 into 30. So, sin 90. You know the value of sin 90 is 1. So, that is option B. So, I hope you are clear with the three sums. Now, let us move on with further sums. Fourth sum. If tan theta is equal to 4 by 5, then value of 5 sin theta minus 2 cos theta by 5 sin theta plus 2 cos theta is 4 options are given. Actually, there are two methods to do this sum. One is, you can draw a right triangle. Since tan theta is 4 by 5, you can write the opposite side as 4k and the adjacent side as 5k. Find the hypotenuse and find what is sin theta and cos theta and substitute. Now, let me teach you another method because that method will be useful for some other sums later on. So, now I am going to take 5 sin theta minus 2 cos theta by 5 sin theta plus 2 cos theta. Okay, I am going to divide the numerator as well as the denominator by cos theta. The purpose is cos theta by cos theta will be 1, you will get some numerical thing. Sin theta by cos theta will be tan theta. So now 5 sin theta by cos theta will become 5 tan theta minus 2, because cos theta will get cut. In the denominator you will get 5 tan theta plus 2. Now you know tan theta is 4 by 5. So 5 into 4 by 5 you will get 4 minus 2. Here 4 plus 2. So 2 by 6, which is 1 by 3. Okay. So 1 by 3 means that option A is the correct one. Now let us come to the fifth sum. It's a bit different sum. ABCD is an isosceles trapezium. You want to find the perimeter of ABCD. It is given AB is 3 units and AE, that is actually it's a perpendicular. Similarly this one, and they have given it to be 2 units. The angle D is given to be 45 degrees, right? So now you should know some property of an isosceles trapezium. In an isosceles trapezium, the two non-parallel sides will be equal. So AD will be equal to BC, that is one thing. Then angle D will be equal to angle C. Similarly, angle A will be equal to angle B. AE is equal to BF because the distance between the parallel lines is same always. So these are all the things you should know about the isosceles trapezium before proceeding to the sum. Now you know that AE is 2 units, it is given, and the angle is 45. So let me find what is AD. Okay, in right triangle AED I can write AE by AD will be 2 by AD, that is sin 45, which is 1 by root 2. Let us cross multiply now. So you will get AD is equal to 2 root 2. So naturally BC is also 2 root 2 units. Okay. Then we want the DE. We want the FC, so that we will do DC. Because if this is 3 units, this EF will be 3 units. Okay. Now this DE we can find very easily, because this is 45, that angle is 45. So that becomes an isosceles right triangle. The ADE is an isosceles right triangle. So when this is 2 units, DE is also 2. Similarly, FC will also be 2. So now what will be your DC? It is 2 plus 3 plus 2, that will be 7 units. So now let us come to the perimeter. Perimeter means we have to add all the 4 sides. AB already you know 3. AD you know it is 2 root 2. DC you know it is 7. BC it is 2 root 2. So 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 4 root 2 units. That is the perimeter of the trapezium. So the option C is the correct one. Okay. Hope this is clear to you. Let us move on to the sixth sum. If sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0, then the value of sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is, 4 options are given. It is given sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. That gives you sin theta is equal to cos theta. Take the minus cos theta to that side. Now let us divide, that is bring the cos theta down. So you get 1. Okay. So now tan theta is 1. That means theta is equal to 45 degrees. Do you follow? So now sin power 4 theta is nothing but sin theta the whole power 4. So you will get sin 45 degrees the whole power 4 plus cos 45 degrees the whole power 4. So 1 by root 2 the whole power 4 plus 1 by root 2 the whole power 4. What will you get? 1 by root 2 the whole square is 1 by 2. So 1 by root 2 the whole power 4, that will be 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. So the option is B here. Okay. Is it clear? The 3 sums are clear to you? Okay. Let us go further. Seventh sum. Value of cos 1 degree into cos 2 degrees into cos 3 degrees, etc. up to cos 180 degrees is, 4 options are given. Do you think it's very tough? No. Actually, it is very simple. If you think, you can give the answer in a second. Now, when you see 1, 2, 3, etc., you will get cos 90 degrees, isn't it? What is cos 90 degrees? It is 0. 0 into anything is going to be 0. So straight away no working. The option B, that is 0, is the correct answer. Now let us move on to the 8th sum. There is a figure given. ABC is one right triangle and ADB is another right triangle. It is given AD is 4 centimeter, BD is 3 centimeter, BC is 12 centimeter. Angle C is theta. Cot theta is, and 4 options are given. Okay. First you consider the right triangle ABD. You know two sides, 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. You can find the hypotenuse easily using Pythagoras theorem. Or you know the Pythagorean triplet, isn't it? 3, 4 means 5. So I can write AB as 5 centimeters straight away. Now let us come to the right triangle ABC. You want to cot theta. Cot theta is what? It is BC divided by AB. So no need to find out AC. Supposing they have asked you something else as sin theta or cos theta, you have to find AC. Now there is no need. So A will be 12 by 5. That is cot theta will be the option A, which is 12 by 5. Okay, the two sums actually very easy. Now let us move on to the 9th sum. Tan alpha plus cot alpha is equal to 2. Then tan power 2020 alpha plus cot power 2020 alpha is 4 options are given. Okay. Now let us go. First let us solve what is alpha. Now you have tan alpha plus cot alpha. I am writing it as 1 by tan alpha, that is equal to 2. Let me take LCM. So here I will get tan squared alpha plus 1. The tan alpha down I will take that. I will get 2 tan alpha, right? Now I will bring that also this side. Minus 2 tan alpha plus 1 is 0, which is tan alpha minus 1, the whole squared is 0. Automatically tan alpha minus 1 is 0. So you get tan alpha is equal to 1, which gives you alpha as 45 degrees. Okay. So first we have solved from this what is given, what is alpha. Now what we want to find is tan 2020 alpha plus cot power 2020 alpha. What does it mean? Tan alpha the whole power 2020. Okay. So tan alpha is tan 45, which is 1. So 1 power 2020 plus cot alpha is also, cot 45 is also 1 power 2020. You know 1 power anything is 1. So you will get 1 plus 1, it is 2. That is the answer. First it looked a bit tough, but now I think it's very easy, right? So the answer is 2. So the option B. So are you clear with these three sums? Now let us go on to the next one now. Okay. 10th sum. If secant theta plus tan theta is equal to x, then tan theta is 4 options are given. Now you should remember the trigonometric identity. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. If you bring the tan square theta to the other side, you will get secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay. Now you know secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta, that will give you secant squared theta minus tan squared theta, isn't it? A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now you know this is 1, you know that is x. So x into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. So secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by x, right? You know secant theta plus tan theta is equal to x. Now we have found out secant theta minus tan theta is 1 by x. I want tan theta. So my secant theta should get cut. So I am subtracting. So this will be minus, that should be plus, that will be minus. This will get cut. You will get 2 tan theta, that is equal to x minus 1 by x. Correct? That is equal to x squared minus 1 by x. So tan theta will be x squared minus 1 by 2x. Check the options. Option B, that is x squared minus 1 by 2x is correct. Is it clear? So you should know that identity. Using that you have to find the value. Now Let us see the next one. If sin theta plus sin squared theta is equal to 1, then cos squared theta plus cos power 4 theta is, okay, it is given sin theta plus sin squared theta is equal to 1. Let us take that sin squared theta to the right hand side. So sin theta will be 1 minus sin squared theta, which is cos squared theta. Okay. So we get cos squared theta is equal to sin theta. What we want? Cos squared theta plus cos power 4 theta. For cos squared theta we can write sin theta, right? So cos power 4 theta will be sin squared theta. So now you know already sin theta plus sin squared theta is 1, that is given. So cos squared theta plus cos power 4 theta is equal to 1. Check the options. Option B, that is the correct one. Is it clear? The last one. If 2 sin squared beta minus cos squared beta is equal to 2, then beta is equal to 4 options are given. 2 sin squared beta minus cos squared beta is equal to 2. Either you have to convert sin squared beta in terms of cos squared or cos squared in terms of sin squared. Okay. I am keeping the 2 sin squared beta. I am writing the cos squared beta as 1 minus sin squared beta. You remove the bracket. You will get 2 sin squared plus 1 sin squared, that is 3 sin squared beta. This minus 1 you take it to that side. So 2 plus 1 will become 3. So sin squared beta will be 1. And sin beta is also 1. Don't take plus or minus because all acute angle and only right angle is given. So you take just plus 1. So now beta will be equal to 90 degrees because sin 90 is equal to 1. So the option B. Hope you have understood all the 12 MCQs. See, if you see any MCQs in any other site or in your school exams or any extra papers, you can write them in the comment section if you want me to explain anything. Okay? Then let me just give you a small introduction about myself. My name is Mrs. Kamakshi Swaran. I am a freelance maths teacher. Usually I am posting only 12th videos. So in the same YouTube channel, I will have a separate playlist, right? Cbse 10th. Okay. In that if you go, you can continuously see the videos I am going to put. So you can subscribe to the channel and you can see the further videos. Hope you like it, and if you think it is useful, if you are understanding my explanations, you can share it. You give a like and you can comment also. Okay. So I'll just give my number also. You can ask any doubt. It is 98414-24159. This is my WhatsApp number as well as my phone number. For any doubts in your maths 10th standard, you can get in touch with me. Surely I will clear it. Okay. Thanks for watching the video.